You've probably done this to be polite, but holding in a sneeze is actually incredibly dangerous. When you sneeze, air blasts out of your nose at up to 100 miles per hour. But if you trap that air, the pressure is forced into your eustachian tubes, which can literally rupture your eardrums. In some cases, the force is so strong that it can pop blood vessels in your eyes or even trap air in the tissue behind them. It has even been known to tear a hole in the back of the throat, trapping air in the chest and neck, which requires immediate surgery. So next time you feel a sneeze coming on, don't hold it in. Just cover your mouth and let it fly.